Going on, Big Bang Family? It's your boy Big Mac Joe, and I'm back at it again with some heat. So today we're gonna be talking about Andrews Federal Credit Union and how you can get high limit funding from them, and anybody can join. And when I say high limit funding, I'm talking about $50,000 on one credit card. All right, and anybody can join, so that's a big plus. All right, before we get started, if you're new here, make sure you leave down below that you are new here so I can welcome you to the family personally, and make sure you smash that like button because I want this video to get out to the masses because everybody needs this information. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and tap that notification bell because you know I'm going to be dropping videos every single day and you don't want to miss it. And if you've been here before, you know I don't like my time being wasted, so I'm not here to waste yours. So we're going to get right to it. All right, so first and foremost, Andrews Federal Credit Union. So what we're going to talk about is how you can become a member. All right, so the first thing you want to do is click Join Now. And once you click Join Now, you'll get to a screen where you have to type in your zip code so you can select your eligibility. So once you type in your zip code, you're going to see this here. Select your eligibility. The first option is I am an immediate family or household member of a current Andrews FCU member. The second one is as a benefit of my employer or association. I live, work, worship, or attend school in Washington, D.C. I am a current member, employee, or board member of Andrews Federal Credit Union. I'm a member of the American Consumer Council. All right, so obviously you can join if any of these apply to you, but this is for the people that it doesn't apply to. So this is how you can get in, and this is how anybody can get in Andrews Federal Credit Union, by being a member of the American Consumer Council, right? And you see here it asks you to enter your ACC membership number. You will have to go to a separate site, and this site is right here, right? And as you see here, it says 3 ways to join. Join for $8 if you're currently used or have a major consumer product or service in the last 12 months. What I would tell people to do is you want to become a lifetime member so you can have this relationship with Andrews Federal Credit Union, right? So it's the lifetime cost and membership is $15, right? So I'm not gonna go through everything else. Just know that you'll have to pay $15 to become a member of the American Consumer Council so that you can create that relationship with Andrews Federal Credit Union. You won't regret it, right? Because you can get high limit credit cards and good loan products as well. So let's talk about the credit cards. And before we talk about the credit cards, we're going to talk about the requirements and the data points so that you can apply and get approved for a high limit credit card. You don't want to have any recent accounts, right? And I tell you about this on all my videos because usually when you have recent accounts, you look thirsty to creditors, right? You look like you've been applying for credit over and over and over again, and they feel like you in need of credit. And like I said, the rule of thumb is if you need credit, they won't lend to you. But if you don't need it, they're gonna lend to you. So if you look like you don't need it, they're more likely to lend to you. And if you've been applying for credit over and over again, you look like you're in need of it. So you're gonna get denied, right? So you don't want to have any recent accounts. And when I say recent, I mean within 6 months, because more than likely you're gonna get denied because you look thirsty. And another thing about Andrews Federal Credit Union, much like Navy Federal, they have an internal score as well. So if you build a relationship with them, if you make deposits, right, if you have different products with them, you will build that internal score, so you're more likely to get a high limit credit card. Okay, so on these credit cards, they also pull from Experian, but I have heard some people say they've pulled from TransUnion, but majority they pull from Experian. And I believe the reason they pull from other credit bureaus is if you may have a freeze on your Experian, you know, they're probably going to choose a pull from another one. So make sure you don't have a freeze on your Experian credit report, because for majority data points, they pull from Experian. So let's go into the credit cards. This is their Titanium Rewards credit card, right? This is their signature credit card, okay? And on the signature credit card, that means the lowest limit they're gonna start with is $5,000. So obviously you have to have top tier credit, right? You don't wanna come in with negatives and charge-offs and collections on your credit report and apply for this Titanium Rewards Visa credit card. But like I said, if you do build a relationship with them, you have more chance of getting this credit card. But you want to make sure your credit is up to par, all right? That's why I always tell y'all to invest into your credit, invest into getting your credit repaired so that you are able to get this high limit funding. All right, so let's talk about this Titanium Rewards Visa. So this has a welcome bonus. You can earn 10,000 bonus points with purchase of 1,500 within the first 90 days. And like I said, this is what your credit level needs to be. You need to have a good credit level. Obviously, your credit needs to be good if you're going to apply for this. And you can earn 3 times the points on gas, groceries, and 1.5 on all other purchases. And your redemption options are cash, travel, merchandise, and more. All right, so the next card we got is the Platinum Rewards Visa. You can earn rewards on every purchase. And they have an offer where you can earn 5,000 bonus points with the first purchase. And your credit only needs to be fair to get approved for this card. Okay, so take that into consideration if you have fair credit. They have unlimited reward options that you can earn 1 times the points on all purchases. Your redemption options are travel, merchandise, and more. And I didn't mention this before on the titanium card. The variable APR is 13.99. And for this platinum card, the variable APR is 14.99. Okay. Another card they have is the Supreme Visa card. Its key features is its low interest rate, straightforward card that keeps credit simple. Now this card has 0% APR for 6 months on all purchases within 90 days of opening an account. So this is a good card that if you want a 0% APR, don't want to pay interest, this is for you. And your credit level needs to be fair. So this is a card if you have credit score that's within the 600s and you don't have a 700 or top tier credit. It's a card that you can get and you can get approved for. They don't have any reward options. The variable rate is as low as 12.49% APR. And they also have a platinum secure option. So if you are starting and trying to build credit, they have a secured credit card and they build credit. It says build credit while earning rewards with the $500 security deposit. So it's a minimum $500. So if you want to build your credit, you got to put that money up. You got to invest into yourself, $500 deposit. You'll be able to rebuild your credit. And you can also earn rewards. You can earn 1 point on all purchases, travel, merchandise, and more. It's pretty similar to the Platinum Rewards Visa, but it's a secure card, so it's good that you can earn rewards. And the variable rate is as low as 18%. All right, cool. So I just wanted to make this quick video for some of the people that may have been trying to get in Navy Federal, but they're having issues with doing that. This is another credit union that you can join so you can get approved for high limit credit cards. If you're looking for high limit funding, this is a credit union for you, and anybody can join, right? So if you have prime credit, if you have good credit and you're looking to apply for some credit, even if you have fair credit, they have options for you. I hope I just put y'all on game. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and most importantly, turn that notification bells on because you don't want to miss anything that I drop. And I'm dropping daily videos and I'm coming with heat every single day. I appreciate everybody that's watching. And as y'all know, the top ain't going nowhere. You just gotta get there. Let's get it.
Had to go and get it. Steady grinding just behind the scenes. I've been on a mission. Gotta touch him by any means. Said we can go high for